Dating authentically in the digital age is not all that easy. So I want to invite you to think about two key pieces. One is, who am I? And the other is, what do you want? Who am I is reflected in your bio, your picture, and your prompts. So in your bio, what do you like to do? A day in the life of you. What are your passions? What is your sense of humor? In your pictures, manifest that in pictures. Make eye contact, smile, and show off who you are through your activities. And the prompts, just do them. Do them realistically. Then what do I want? Be real here. This is where it gets a little dicey, but if you want kids in marriage, say that. If you don't want kids in marriage, say that. If you want to live somewhere specific, say that. We need to put out what we want, otherwise we don't manifest what we want. And if somebody's a little wishy-washy with you in their responses, off they go. And lastly, vet this all by a trusted friend and get that feedback. All right, good luck.